We thought it would be helpful to keep queries about version 2 and version 3 of Analysis separate, but rather than setting up a second disk email list for version 3, we've decided to set up a forum instead. You can find this at www.ccpn.ac.uk/forums. As you can see, it's divided into several different categories. Announcements are typically made by the CCPN team about anything new to do with the software. Any queries about version 3 can be posted under V3 General, or if there's anything in particular to do with macros, if you have written a macro or want help with writing a macro, you can post something in this separate forum. Version 2 queries can either be posted here online on this forum, or you can continue to use the disk email list as before. And then finally, we have a separate category for NMR community messages about jobs, conferences, or any other news that you want to share with the biomolecular NMR community. In order to register, simply click on Register. You will have to agree to basically be polite, and then you can enter a username, password, and your email. If you're comfortable using a forum, just select the options here that suit you best. If you feel that actually you basically just want it to behave a bit like an email list, we recommend that in your thread subscription mode you select instant email notification, and then under automatic subscriptions select subscribe to all new threads and posts. This way, whenever anybody posts a new thread, a new query, you will get an email about it. If it doesn't interest you, just delete it and you won't hear any more. If you are interested and you have a look at the board, then you will have emailed to you all the replies on that thread as well. And it'll just all end up in your email inbox, rather like with the email list. Once you're done, click Registration. Then you will be sent an email to verify your email address and you're registered. At that point you can start posting either new threads or replies. Once you're logged in, you can have a look at threads and you will be able to reply to them. We recommend that when you do reply, you might select at the bottom, subscribe and receive email notifications of new replies. Again, if you're somebody who likes to have everything just come to their inbox.